I'll fight him!
My daughter, I know you'll return. Until that moment, I'll hold the line.
You stupid woman! Have you lost your mind? Are you trying to doom House Ironwood?
Well now, you? You think you can stand here with me? Tell me, can you even use magic?
No, but I dare to fight you.
Look at that! An old woman with more backbone than all the men of House Ironwood combined. Fine. I don't make a habit of slaughtering women.
If you can survive 3 hits from me, I'll call it your win.
Agnes, come back! You are a woman! You have no business on a battlefield!
And yet, I'm the one standing here. 3 strikes.
Go on!
Try not to die too quickly. You barely lasted a breath.
Why is she still getting up?
Agus, stop! You can't win against a man! Know your place!
Don't mistake me for them. They choose to kneel. I don't. Where's your second strike?
She's still asking for more? Agnes! Don't throw your life away!
She's lost her mind! Again!
If you insist!
Mother, wait for me.
All that talk, but you're still just a woman.
She got up again?
You're still standing?
Eleanor, whether you make it back today or not, I want you to know your mother will always stand by your dream. Live for yourself, and for every woman who's been told she can't.
Lady Ironwood, please, don't push yourself anymore!
Now, the third strike. Come on.
I heard you fell this low for letting your daughter escape, crossed Lord Wintermer for it. What, you still think she's coming back to save you?
You're wrong. I don't need her to come back. Knowing she's safe, that's enough.
I wasn't even trying before. But if you're so eager to die, I'll grant your wish.
Then do it. I'm not afraid of you. Eleanor, remember this. Your life is yours to shape. They say women are less than men, but we are not. We stand on our own, and we stand strong.
Women, stand on our own. Women, we stand on our own.
Agnes, why would you throw your life away like this?
Everyone dies. I've endured this house for over 20 years. Treated like nothing, looked down on, ordered around. And now look at you, all on your knees.
But I won't kneel. Let everyone see this. A woman's knees are stronger than any man's. Come on!
My daughter, I love you more than anything.
Go now! I'll hold them off!
But the road ahead, you'll have to walk it on your own.
lay a hand on my mother. Cheer! You're dead!
더 많은 콘텐츠를 다운로드하여 시청하세요.